Hi riders, welcome back motorcycle enthusiasts. You're watching Bikeodator Pro, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today we're diving into a bike that has captivated the hearts of Harley-Davidson lovers for decades. The Shovelhead. Yes, you heard that right, the Shovelhead is back in 2025, and we're here to explore its legendary return. From its iconic design to cutting-edge technology, this new 2025 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead promises to be something special. So buckle up as we take you on a journey through this extraordinary bike's features, history, and modern-day upgrades. Design and aesthetics. Harley-Davidson has always been known for creating motorcycles that are as much about style as they are about performance. The 2025 Shovelhead stays true to the vintage look that fans love while incorporating sleek modern touches. The distinctive tank design is back, with its retro fuel cap and gleaming chrome accents. The bike features an updated headlamp housing incorporating LED technology for improved visibility while maintaining its classic round shape. The new Shovelhead also offers customizable paint schemes so riders can make their bike truly one of a kind. Whether you prefer a matte finish, glossy metallic, or something bolder, Harley provides plenty of options for you to express your personality. The Shovelhead's rich history. The Harley-Davidson Shovelhead first made its debut in 1966, taking the motorcycle world by storm with its distinct look and powerful engine. It was the engine that defined a generation, taking the iconic Harley-Davidson brand to new heights. Fast forward to the 1980s, and Harley phased out the Shovelhead in favor of newer models like the However, the Shovelhead never truly disappeared from the hearts of motorcycle enthusiasts. Its classic charm and unique mechanical sound made it a beloved symbol of Harley's golden age. Now, in 2025, Harley-Davidson has brought back the Shovelhead to offer a blend of nostalgic appeal and modern technology. Engine specifications and performance. One of the standout features of the 2025 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead is its revamped engine. The new Shovelhead engine still captures the essence of the classic design, but has been engineered for maximum performance. Boasting a V-twin configuration, the 2025 Shovelhead features an upgraded 120 Ci engine, delivering incredible power with smoother performance than its predecessor. The engine uses a combination of modern fuel injection technology and an improved cooling system, ensuring the bike performs at its best in all conditions. Whether you're cruising on the highway or revving up for a thrilling ride, the 2025 Shovelhead offers the raw power and reliability that Harley-Davidson fans demand. Revamped chassis and handling. In 2025, Harley-Davidson has paid special attention to the Shovelhead's chassis, ensuring it's built for better handling, comfort, and stability. The frame has been redesigned with high-strength materials, making it lighter without compromising structural integrity. The suspension system features advanced adjustable components, giving riders the flexibility to fine-tune their ride for different terrains. Additionally, the 2025 Shovelhead comes equipped with larger, more responsive tires that improve grip and handling on both smooth roads and rougher, unpaved paths. This combination of modern engineering and classic design makes the Shovelhead a versatile motorcycle that riders of all skill levels will appreciate. Cutting-edge technology integration. In the 2025 Shovelhead, Harley-Davidson has seamlessly integrated cutting-edge technology to enhance the riding experience. The bike is equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster, offering real-time information on speed, fuel levels, tire pressure, and more. This digital interface is easy to read and complements the bike's vintage aesthetic. In addition, the Shovelhead features advanced rider assist technologies such as traction control, anti-lock braking system, ABS, and electronic throttle control. These systems are designed to provide a smoother, safer ride, especially for newer riders or those tackling more challenging environments. These upgrades, along with Bluetooth connectivity and smartphone integration, ensure that the 2025 Shovelhead is a perfect balance of modern convenience and classic appeal. Comfort and ergonomics. Harley-Davidson has always been focused on comfort, and the 2025 Shovelhead is no exception. With its redesigned seat, riders can expect a more supportive and comfortable experience, whether they're taking a short city ride or going on a long-distance tour. The ergonomics have also been improved, with the handlebars positioned for better reach and comfort. Additionally, the foot peg position has been adjusted to offer better control and less strain on the rider's legs during longer rides. This blend of comfort, style, and functionality makes the Shovelhead perfect for riders looking for a bike that offers a relaxing ride while still providing plenty of power when needed. Customization and aftermarket parts. One of the most appealing aspects of the Harley-Davidson Shovelhead is its vast potential for customization. Harley-Davidson's extensive catalog of aftermarket parts allows riders to personalize their Shovelhead to suit their style and performance needs. Whether you want to upgrade the exhaust for a more aggressive sound, change out the handlebars for a more relaxed cruising position, or add custom paint and graphics, the possibilities are endless. The 2025 Shovelhead is a canvas for your creative expression, allowing you to make it as unique as you are. Pricing and availability. So what can you expect in terms of pricing for the 2025 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead? Given the bike's premium features, quality craftsmanship, and iconic status, the 2025 Shovelhead is positioned as a high-end model within Harley's lineup. The base price for the Shovelhead starts at around $22,000, with options for additional upgrades and customization. Prices can vary depending on your location, dealer, and the customizations you select. Despite its premium price tag, the Shovelhead's combination of performance, design, and heritage makes it well worth the investment for those who are passionate about Harley-Davidson's legacy. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead marks the return of a beloved motorcycle that has made an indelible mark on Harley's history. With its blend of vintage styling, modern performance, and advanced technology, the Shovelhead is a perfect example of how Harley-Davidson is embracing its past while looking towards the future. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the Harley brand, the 2025 Shovelhead offers something special for everyone. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a symbol of the freedom, power, and timeless appeal that Harley-Davidson represents. So are you ready to experience the legend? Thanks for tuning in to Bike Update Pro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews, updates, and all things motorcycle. Let us know in the comments if you're excited about the return of the Shovelhead or if you're planning to get your hands on one. Keep riding, keep revving, and we'll see you in the next video.